From this video, you'll know how to sew Brooklyn pants. One of multiple ways, how to sew Brooklyn slant pocket pants with fake drawstring. Step 1. Crotch seams. Pin back and front crotch seams right after cutting. Sew and finish seams. Finish seams with zigzag stitches, serger or binding strips. Press. Step 2. Pockets. Place fronts and pocket linings right sides together. Pin and sew opening line. Cut off half of seam allowances. Press the seams. Fold pockets linings to the inside and press. Top stitch in 1 cm long opening line. Press. Place side front, right side on front, wrong side. Pin and sew pocket bag edges. Finish and press the seams. Step 3. Side seams. Place front and back right sides together. Pin and sew side seams. Finish and press the seams towards back. Step 4. Hemming prep. Fold bottom edge in 1 cm on wrong side twice and press. Step 5. Inseams. Pin and sew inseams right sides together. Finish and press the seam. Step 6. Waistband. Fold waistband in half lengthwise wrong sides together and press. Sew shorts ends right sides together, leaving a gap for elastic insert. Press the seam open. Mark, pin, waistband, and pants quarters. Place folded waistband and pants right sides together, match and pin their quarters. Also, you can pin fronts and pockets together along top line. Sew and finish the seam. Press the seam towards bottom. Cut elastic. Insert elastic into waistband through the gap. Overlap elastic ends in 1/10 and sew with zigzag stitches. Cut off extra elastic if needed. Pull and spread elastic evenly inside. Step 7. Hemming. Top stitch pressed hems. Press. Optional step 8. Fake drawstring. Make a drawstring from 3cm wide strip. Sew it to front waistband center. Recommendation: fix elastic with straight stitches along side seams. And that's it. Enjoy your Brooklyn pants.